Hi, Lake and Calusa students. My name is Dina Martin, and I'm the WCC librarian, and you're a librarian too. Lake students may already know Candace Goodman, Lake's library media technician, who works at the Lake County Campus Library, who can also help you access the resources we will be highlighting in this video.
I'm Jolene Torres, and I'm the Language Arts Instructional Associate at Woodland Community College's Reading and Writing Center in the Student Success Center. I also teach English and reading courses. There is a series of workshops called the Academic Success Workshops that include topics such as study skills, reading skills, writing skills, technology skills, and research skills. Some of the workshops will be broadcast to Lake and Calusa. Other workshops have been previously recorded so that you can access them anytime through the Academic Success Workshops Canvas course. This course does not affect your GPA. It is available to you as a tool that you can use to increase your success as a student.
Every workshop we do has a corresponding Canvas module that you can access to review a workshop's presentation, take a quiz to test what you learn, access additional information or activities to help you learn the workshop's content, and ask questions on a discussion post about the workshop's topics that will be answered by us or another Student Success Center staff member.
To find out when and where to attend an in-person workshop, check out the workshop calendar, which is available on several places on Woodland's website and on the Lake Library's website. We are going to show you how to access it through Woodland's website because that is something both Lake and Calusa students can do.
So start from Woodland Community College's homepage, click Library, located under the Academics menu, click Assistance and Research, and scroll down to the bottom of the page to see the calendar and access a link you may use to self-enroll in the Academic Success Workshops Canvas course if you are not already enrolled through another method.
The workshops being broadcast to Lake and Calusa have the location highlighted in blue. If you click on the title, you can get additional information about the workshop. At the bottom of the calendar, you can see some of the workshops that have been recorded that you can watch anytime through the Academic Success Workshop calendar.
Getting access to the Academic Success Workshop Canvas course can happen several ways. The most important method you should know is that you can self-enroll yourself by clicking on the link located in the calendar and following the prompts. If you have any issues, we have people to help you at each location. Calusa students can visit Caroline Prieto in the Reading and Writing Center, also part of Calusa Student Success Center. Lake students can visit Candace Goodman in the library. Once you are enrolled, you can also ask us questions using the various methods available in Canvas.
We look forward to seeing you at the Academic Success Workshops in person, teleconference, or online.
And helping you succeed in college.